Hi, this is John with WTI. And if you're really trying to have a taco night, or how they call it, Taco Tuesday, with family and friends, this is the kit that you need. This is the All of the Paso taco mix, the fajitas flavor. So this is just a great set and a great idea because it's not your typical plain taco set. They would get 8 or 5 tortillas, and then you have to think about how you're gonna make them, the sauces and all that. This is all in one. So what this gets is the 8 tortillas, and you will get a seasoning mix and the fajita sauce. That I did this with chicken, and it was awesome. So the tortillas, great flavor, normal. You would put them and you toast them, and it tastes awesome. The flavor of the seasoning is really nice. It's without salt, so you have to add a little bit of salt if you prefer. And the fajita mix or the fajita sauce was the highlight. Once I put that sauce into that chicken, it was game changer for me. So if you're really trying to have like a good night with family and friends, and you want to make tacos, you have the complete set. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.